Alright, so first road test, we just carried out the straight through section from the OPF-Back. Upon road test, there's a small drone. Definitely more noise. There's no crackles, no pops, no bangs. So yeah, this is a stock S3. So no remap. There's nothing been added in the system other than the air intake. But yeah, this is the kind of noise to expect. Definitely louder, but it's not so asbo. It doesn't sound mental. So if you're you know, looking to remove your centre pipe in your back box, don't expect nothing mental. The drone is acceptable. It's not ear piercing, but yeah, I mean, if you were to take the OPFs out, I think you're going to want some kind of sports res box, because we driven one of these the other week with straight through system, just the cats in at the top, and the drone was dreadful. Literally, you get out of the car, you have a headache. So yeah, we'll do a little noise test out the car as well, so you can hear what it's like. But yeah, overall, pretty subtle, but there's potential for more. Definitely could do some crackles, I reckon. If you do put it into sport, which I'm sure a lot of you S1, S3 drivers do drive around in, you do get some crackles naturally. So take back what I said earlier, and you do get a couple of DSG farts as well, but nothing excessive. So anyone looking for noise, you want to get their OPFs out really.